Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive a post on Instagram profile. First, you just need to open your Instagram application, then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on the three horizontal line button at the top right corner. Then you will find archive option here in this who you use Instagram. So you just need to tap on archive, and you have just select the post archive to get all the archived posts at one place. So here you can see I have a post here that I have archived. So you just need to hold on that post and you will find this show on profile icon here. So you just need to tap on show on profile and again tap on this show on profile option here, and you can see it has just restoring the post, and it has just restored the post from the archive section, and it has just unarchived that post on my Instagram profile. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.